Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot. So hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be making a resin pyramid with these fake roses. I am having so much fun using these. I have a few other videos on my channel using these, so definitely go check those videos out if you haven't seen them already. And off camera, I took my little nippers and trimmed off the petals or the leaves on the bottom of this rose. And then we're going to get ready to pour. Before I do resin, I always run it through my Airless bubble removal machine. It works great to get rid of bubbles in your resin. I will link my full tutorial showing step-by-step how to use this machine down below in the description box. And discount code NAPTIME will save you 15%. You can get this off the Resiners website. I'm going to be using the deep pour epoxy from Let's Resin today. It's a 2-to-1 ratio epoxy. I mixed up my resin off camera just to save time, but if you want to see how I mix my resin, check out that tutorial showing how to use the Resiners Airless Bubble Removal Machine. In that video, I show you how I mix my resin. So this is a cup of just about 2 ounces of clear. I am not going to be using this to pour. I put a little bit of clear in this cup and I'm using that to dip my rose to kind of seal it up, to prevent air bubbles from getting trapped in between the petals. And you can see dipping it introduced air bubbles, so I'm not pouring that into my mold here. This is a different cup of clear, same batch of resin, and I'm just pouring about 3 ounces into my pyramid mold. And whenever I make these, I almost always get a bubble stuck in the tip of the pyramid mold. So I'm going in with a silicone paintbrush and very carefully dislodging that bubble. Now I'm going to drop down the rose that I had dipped in that other cup of clear, and I'm just pushing it down, making sure that it is stuck in that resin. I wanted to make sure it was going to stand up nicely on its own, and I did end up trimming off some of the stem off camera, just because I didn't want it sticking up out of the mold too much. And that was it for layer number 1. This is the next day, layer number 2. I'm going to go in with about 6 more ounces of clear, just filling up the mold until the bottom of the rose was completely covered with clear. We're going to be pouring this one in 3 different layers. So this is day number 2, layer number 2, going in with 6 more ounces or 6 ounces of clear just to cover up the bottom of that rose. These roses are so beautiful. You can get them off Amazon or Temu's website. They're cheaper on Temu, but they do take longer to get here than Amazon. So just keep that in mind. They take about 2 weeks if you get them off Temu's website. And the pyramid mold is from Let's Resin. Discount code NAPTIME will give you a discount on Let's Resin's website. Same for my UK friends as well. You can use my code and that'll give you a discount. And what's cool with these, you don't have to fill up the pyramids all the way. You can make smaller pyramids like I'm doing here. This is day number 3. I used alcohol ink from Let's Resin and this black mica powder from Let's Resin. Mixed it into about 5 ounces of clear, and I'm just going to fill up or just pour that into the mold. Like I said, I'm not filling this mold up all the way. Total, this took about 18 ounces of resin to make. So I was really interested to see how it turned out. Super easy to make these. You just have to be patient waiting for the different days to do your different layers. And the nippers I used to trim off the bottom of the stem of the rose, I just picked those up at my local drugstore. They're just like fingernail nippers. They work great for this. I let that black layer cure overnight. This is 24 hours later, getting ready to take it out of the mold. I love how it turned out. So, so gorgeous. I think that it looks so pretty with that black background. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I hope you give this a try. Let me know if you have any questions. And definitely check out that deep pour epoxy from Let's Resin. It works great. It's a 2-to-1 ratio epoxy and it works amazing for deeper pours like this. And I'll link all the materials I use down below in the description box along with any coupon codes that I have. I have a discount code for Let's Resin, which is Naptime, and the Airless bubble removal machine from Resiner's website. Discount code NAPTIME will save you 15% on that bubble removal machine. And let me know down in the comments what color I should do next for one of these roses. I was thinking a dark blue would look really pretty, or maybe even like a dark purple. But let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Naptime Creations, and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help me out a lot. Helps out my channel if you watch a few of my videos back to back. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys soon for another video. Bye, guys.